Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to change signature on AOL mail. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up AOL mail app. Make sure you have already downloaded and sign in with your account. Now tap on profile picture on top left corner. Now tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on it, it will show up you this kind of interface. Scroll down and tap on signature. So here you can see your signature. Now you can change it. Simply turn on it if you haven't turned on it by tapping on it, and now change your signature. Delete this and add your new signature. And then tap on done. Now go back to your inbox. Tap on inbox icon located on bottom left corner. Now tap on pencil icon on topmost. Now here you can see on bottom your signature has been shown. So whenever you send any email to anyone, it will show you your signature on bottom in this way. So this is how you can change your signature on AOL mail. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.